Life can get a little bit messy. We've all been there. Forgotten meetings, tasks that never get done, important to-dos that fly in through one ear and out the other. What you need is a little bit of organization. So here is how you can DIY your own planner. To make your own planner, you need a notebook, a pen and a ruler. So let's begin. Year-long goals are intimidating, so take things one quarter at a time. Split your notebook into 5 sections, one for each quarter and one for general notes. Each quarter section should have enough pages for 3 months of daily tasks as well as a few pages to spare. On the first page of every quarter, write down your quarterly goals. These can be personal, professional or financial. If you have quarterly KPIs at your workplace, you can mention them here as well. Now, moving on to the monthly planner. Create a title page for every month and you can break down your quarterly goals into monthly tasks here. Leave a couple of blank pages after the title page of every month and use the remainder of the pages to create the daily planner for that month. Each day in your daily planner needs to have 3 sections: work to-dos, personal to-dos and expenses. You will be looking at these pages every single day, so you can decorate them if you wish. You can also break down your monthly tasks into weekly tasks on those blank pages you left at the start of every month. Otherwise, use these pages to write down any general overarching tasks that do not fit into your daily planner pages. This is so that they can stay on your mind without interfering with your work on a day-to-day basis. Now you can go ahead and repeat this process for the rest of the quarter sections. Finally, in the 5th section of your notebook, you can make specific pages such as one for brainstorming ideas, one for a bucket list, one for a habit tracker, and so on. So there you have it. A really simple planner system to make every day of every week, of every month, of every quarter, of every year super organized. You can also join the Cool Kanya women-only career community to ask and answer questions, grow your professional network, and build a career that you love. The link to sign up is in the description. If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe to Cool Kanya. And let us know what other work-related organization videos you want us to make next in the comment section. Until next time, seize your power.